Okay, we have Mr. Mac here. He's very He's gonna knock me, slide over. He's here for lots of reasons, mostly reactivity and overexcitement, as you can tell. He has another dog. He's very insecure, very nervous, super anxious. He's eating grass right now. That's why he's coughing and having a fit. He's nippy. He's a cattle dog, all of that. So we want to make sure that we are taking care of him and getting him trained up so his mom can, her goals are just to do normal stuff with her dog, like take him to the beach and be able to hang out and take him on a hike and have them recall and not be complete idiots and, cause problems and bark at every single thing and always be constant chaos and stress. So those are her goals. They're very realistic expectations. We always talk about that. Okay, let's stop eating grass and then maybe this won't be an issue. Anyway, he's been here, a week now or so. I'm just starting his pager intro. We've been going really slow with him, just doing some pack work and, acclimation stuff. So anyway, we're going to do his pager intro right now. I have no idea how it's going to go. I have a feeling he's going to be very worried about it. There's also a lot of stuff going on in the background, so we'll see what we get. But he's doing great so far, so let's, here we go. I have the sound box hooked up so you can hear when I'm pressing the button. Right now I'm just using the vibrate to cue the turn and move back to me. Here we go. All right, so as you can see, he is very nervous about it, but he's such a nervous guy. Hi, mister. It's hard not to pet an anxious dog like this when they're so happy to see you. Anyway, so the goal right now is for him to understand that when you feel this on your neck, turn and move back in my direction. And that's what we're doing. So I'm just barely tapping that button. You can hear the duration of the pager is not on long, just doot, doot, doot. And yeah, we're gonna do some more. Right now it's really messy. He's turning the wrong way. He's staying behind me. He's worried about where it's coming from, but you just keep working the dog and they get through it, and then eventually you add treats to it, and then it's a nice, fun activity. But we're not there yet. Right now I'm only turning away from him, or trying to not put a bunch of spatial and body pressure on him. Here, I'll turn Alright, so that's our intro. We can do some more, but what I would do now is start walking down the road a little bit, go to a new spot, and do the same thing. So that's the idea for the first little while, is start introducing this in many different spots in and out of the door. Like, make sure you have room to move. But that's the idea, is just introducing this, having him understand when you feel this on your neck, turn and move in my direction. Eventually it will be turned into everything else and all the communication on the collar, but for now this is where we start. Very Mr. Miyagi, wax on, wax off in the beginning. A lot of it doesn't look like anything, and then later all the pieces come together. And your dog will know karate. Just kidding. Those were my dogs barking, but it's the neighbor's dog across the way. Okay, we're going to keep going on this, but this is the beginning. I might take another video of him, of what it looks like down there, but with these insecure dogs that just stick next to your side, it's a little bit awkward and you have to get creative with it. Here, I'm going to press the picture. So there you could see he was looking at his neck like, what is going on here? I'm going to continue to move and move away from him and move him with the leash. Like, this is non-directional and he doesn't know what to do with it, so I have to show him by movement and through doing what to do with that sensation. But yeah, alright guys, talk to you soon.